पहला सवाल जो मैं आपसे पूछना चाहता हूँ मायरा वो ये कि you were born into a family where your father was a banker,
Yes.
your mother was a teacher.
Yes.
दूर दूर तक आपके खानदान में ना फिल्म ना टीवी से किसी का राब्ता ना ताल्लुक.
हाँ.
तो सारे बिजनेसमैन, डॉक्टर्स, इंजीनियर्स इस तरह के.
Doctors or engineers, businessmen वैसे तो नहीं, मगर हाँ,
मतलब
everyone
इस
was
तरह.
a lot of education. Yes.
तो मुझे ये बताएं इस
जी.
सब के बीच में राम लखन कैसे देख लिया आपने?
यार मैं, that's such a good question. आपको पता है, sir, were you asking me this the other day? Who was asking me this? मेरी playlist चल रही थी. And she's like, no, but can we just talk about कि ये कहाँ से? अब्बा सुनते थे, अम्मा सुनती थी, कोई तो होगा. And मैं भी सोच रही हूँ यार ये मैंने कहाँ से pick up किया है? I think, can I tell you? I think every time a film was watched at home, I used to feel this is it, this is my calling. मेरी खाला जो है वो पुराने गाने सुनती थी, अम्मा भी पुराने गाने गाती थी, कभी कभी ढोलक पे बजते थे, शादी हो रही है जैसा. बट मुझे मजा आता था, मुझे लगता था कि दिस इज इट, दिस इज व्हाट आई वांट टू डू. टीवी पे कोई आ रहा है, बिल बोर्ड पे कोई मैं देख रही हूँ, आई यूज्ड टू जस्ट बी लाइक दिस इज व्हाट आई वांट टू डू. एंड आई वाज अ गुड स्टूडेंट, सो इट वाज लाइक इसका दिमाग तो नहीं खराब हो गया. एक्चुअली अब मेरी नानी जो है वो एक्सेप्ट कर चुकी थी. इनफैक्ट वो देखती थी, सब सारे ड्रामे देखे. देखो तुम बड़ी नेचुरल एक्टर हो. लेकिन अब व्हेन शी वाज गोइंग तो शी हैड मेड अप हर माइंड कि मैं एक्टर नहीं डॉक्टर हूँ. आई स्वेयर. तो मैं, और मेरे लिए एक्टिंग इतनी काम आई कि मैं डॉक्टर की एक्टिंग करती थी. और वो शी यूज्ड टू बिलीव फुली कि मैं जो मेडिसिन देती थी, जो उनको खिलाती थी, वो कहती थी उनको लगता था मैं डॉक्टर. सो आई थिंक द रियल passion in me, or the real this dream of mine just came because there was something deep inside of me that just you know, when you know that this is it, this is what I want to do, that I knew it in my heart.
That's so interesting.
And if you meet my mother na, you'll see what a performer she is. I think she wanted to be an actor, I swear. So I don't know.
So you maybe had it in your genes all along.
Well, maybe, but none of them, and they're very successful. You know, like Abba was, mashallah, say, a successful banker. He was an engineer. He went and studied engineering. Amma was a teacher. All my cousins, they're doctors. Sab aaye mein na is waqt, to everyone was like, I'm there, and I'm like, and you know, it's so strange, Hassan. I have to say this just because it's so new and so fresh in my mind. जब सब नानी को you know आप बात करते हैं तो आप कहते हैं ये खा लें, ये पी लें, ये कर लें. My way of talking to her is also very different. हर चीज़ मैं उनके लिए ना एक स्टोरी की तरह बताती थी और उनको बहुत मज़ा आता था और वो खुद स्टोरीज बड़े मज़े से सुनाती थी. So I think that way it's really helped me in my life.
You've always been very close to your grandparents. आप दादा का भी बहुत जिक्र करती हैं, दादी का भी बहुत जिक्र करती हैं, because obviously आप एक joint family में growing up you used to live, और सारे लड़कों में एक लड़की.
How do you know?
I've done my research, Myra. 5 साल मैं बता रहा हूँ आपको लगे हैं ऐसे थोड़ी. और इतने सारे cousins में जो कि सब majority लड़कों की थी, बजाय आप लड़का बनने के आप उनकी पोनियां बना के उन्हें दौड़ाती थी.
Oh my God, this is very good research. Good job. हाँ मैं ये करती थी. I was quite a, because I was.
You weren't bratty though. You weren't a brat.
No, I wasn't a brat, but because I was born Amma and Abba
after 8 years
of marriage. Yes.
Marriage, yes.
They couldn't have.
And your parents at one point wanted to adopt.
Yes. How do you know?
Anyway.
ये क्या देखा है इन्होंने? इन्होंने समीना ये जिया का इंटरव्यू देखा.
नहीं मुझे पता है.
मगर हाँ, so they wanted to adopt. They were ready to adopt. They'd also got, you know, went and seen a little baby girl. So I think जब मैं पैदा हुई, I was so spoiled, and I was spoiled in a way कि लाडों से नहीं पलता कोई. तो दादी, दादा, मेरी फुप्पो हैं, and I don't know if I think that is probably my biggest win in all these years, that I still have all these relationships. I'm close to my puppos, I'm close to my khala, my mamu, my cousins. I still really am very close to them. And when I was growing up, I was obsessed with my dada dadi.
आई नो आप उनके ऑफिस में जाके काफी शरारतें करती थी, उनके टेबल के ऊपर जो वर्ल्ड मैप था उसमें उनसे पूछती थी।
Oh my God, हाँ ये सब करती थी।
हाँ वो सब कुछ।
और अगर I think I mean he wanted me to do a PhD and he was very like पता नहीं वो इस वक्त क्या सोचते होंगे कि इसने क्या किया है।
आपके घर वाले तो ऑब्वियसली बिकॉज इन्फ्लुएंस नहीं था घर पे फिल्मों का या ड्रामों का, तो जेन्युइनली लाइक दे वर कंसर्न्ड कि यार कि ये क्या कर रही है लड़की, ये किस तरफ निकल गई है?
हाँ, there was a little bit of concern. My nanny was very concerned.
But was there concern or opposition?
There was no opposition. There was no opposition, but there was concern. There was no opposition because Amma and Abba are very. उन्होंने हमें पाला ही इस तरह कि जो ठीक है तुम्हें ये सही लगता है कर लो. Also, from a very young age, Hassan, I was living abroad, so I was I had become independent. I wasn't very street smart. You know, I don't think I am even now, but I was independent, you know. जब आप 16 साल 17 साल पे आप चेक घर लाते हैं और आप अपना अपार्टमेंट और अपने भाई के साथ रह रहे हैं और ये कर रहे हैं, तो आपकी एक और you change as a person, I feel. So I think that's why my parents were okay with it. Also, I was getting married at that time, so there was a bit of अच्छा चलो भैया, you know. So of course there were concerns for sure. I remember there were concerns. My nanny, my mom, I think everybody. Amma was a bit like, और उनको ये भी लग रहा था ये शौक है इसका, ये खत्म हो जाएगा। उनको ये नहीं लग रहा था कि ये इसके साथ ये हो जाएगा।
इसमें भी लेकिन इंटरेस्टिंग बात एक ये है कि your parents gave you that liberty and that freedom, right?
Yeah.
And that independence.
Yes, they did, for sure. And even till today, if there's something that's not nice, Amma is the first person to tell me, क्या है? क्या किया है? You know? My father not so much, you know, मतलब he's not someone who sits there and talks about my work with me, you know. कभी-कभी I think वो news पे कभी कुछ पढ़ लेते हैं, वो कहते हैं ये क्या है? ये क्या बात हो रही है? You know? तुमने क्या tweet लिख दी? Because you see, I mean, even now, I just wrote something and we were driving and Amma and Khala were in the car with me and they said, no, and I was like, that's it.
You tweeted?
Yeah.
Or did you delete it?
No, I tweeted. With the Pathan in me kicks in and you can't stop me from
But Myra, 16-17 साल की पठान बच्ची को
you're going back
अमेरिका उन्होंने भेज दिया, ये बड़ी बात है नहीं?
नहीं, I was actually, Amma had come with us.
अच्छा.
Me, Hassan, Amma had come with us. Amma got sick. And Amma actually has been sick since we were kids. She's had rheumatoid arthritis. But it just made it worse. So she went back. And Abba ने फिर कहा कि आ जाओ वापस, बहुत हो गया है, अकेले क्या तुम लोग करोगे? I didn't want to come back, you know. It's something, America probably, staying there was probably the best thing that happened to me. It was tough. I was not like all my other friends who were regular college-going kids, you know. So when people ask me, like, didn't you ever do this in college? I'm like, no. I never went out. I never partied. I never did any of that. I don't understand dorm life. I don't understand any of this.
To the extent that you said that you were a loser.
I was quite a loser, yes. अभी भी मेरी दोस्तों से आपको इंटरव्यू करना चाहिए ना?